The idea is to configure Parrot Ardrone in ROS and to control it with an orange ball in front of the camera. There are needed Ardrone autonomy package, which is drone driver, gazebo simulator, tomb simulator with the connection of two previous ones, and CV bridge in OpenCV library, which converts the ROS image messages to OpenCV objects. In this slide, there are presented useful links where you can find tutorials how to install and how to use every package which is needed. First way to run the drone is Gazebo Simulator, and here are presented the commands that we need to execute to run camera, simulator, and our program. When we would like to run the real drone, then we need to run, of course, the camera, the node, connect to the drone through Wi-Fi, and then run our program that will turn on the control with the ball. Here we have an example in Gazebo Simulator how it works. So when the ball is bigger, then the drone goes away, and then when it's smaller, then the drone goes closer to the camera. The same is with the left and right, and up and down. Now let's try with a real drone. It works the same like in the simulator. So now we can see how the drone behaves. It's rather stable. And when the ball is closer to the camera, the drone is going away. And when it's far away, then it comes closer. The same with the left and right and up and down.